An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 32 from verse 16 up to verse 21. Jacob put servant in charge of each herd and told them, "Go ahead of me and keep a safe space between each herd." Then he said to the servant in charge of the first herd, "When Esau meets you, he will ask whose servant you are, and he will want to know where you are going, and you own those animals in front of you. So tell him, they belong to your servant Jacob, who is coming this way. He is sending them as a gift to his master Esau." Jacob also told the men in charge of the second and third herd and those who follow to say the same thing when they meet Esau. And Jacob told them to be sure to say that he was right behind them. Jacob hoped the gifts would make Esau friendly, so Esau would be glad to see him. Then they meet. Jacob means took the gifts on ahead of him, but he spent the night in camp.